Ever wondered, what's the quickest way to see greens sprouting in your garden? Well, gardening is not just about patience, but also about choosing the right plants that grow fast and are easy to manage. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 fast-growing vegetables perfect for beginners. First on our list is radishes. Radishes are a gardener's dream. They sprout quickly, often within 3 to 7 days, and you can harvest them in just under a month. Radishes are not only speedy growers but also packed with vitamins and minerals. They're a wonderful addition to salads and vegetable trays. Don't forget, radishes need well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight to thrive. Next up we have spinach. Spinach is a superfood that's as easy to grow as it is beneficial. It takes about 6 weeks from planting to harvest. Spinach prefers cooler weather, so plan to plant it in early spring or late summer. It's a nutrient powerhouse, providing ample amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, and iron. Our third pick is cucumbers. If you're looking for a fast-growing vegetable that loves the sun, cucumbers are the way to go. They typically germinate in 7 to 10 days and are ready for harvest in about 8 weeks. Cucumbers are perfect for hydrating since they're mostly made up of water. They also offer a good source of vitamin K. Moving on, we have zucchini. Zucchini is another fast-growing vegetable that's perfect for beginners. From planting to harvest, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks. This vegetable is versatile in the kitchen, from baking to grilling, and it's also low in calories and high in antioxidants. Last but certainly not least, we have green beans. Green beans are not only easy to grow but also produce a high yield. They typically sprout in 1 to 2 weeks and are ready to harvest in about 6 weeks. Green beans are a great source of protein, vitamin A, and potassium. So there you have it. 5 fast-growing vegetables that are perfect for novice gardeners: radishes, spinach, cucumbers, zucchini, and green beans. Each of these vegetables is not only quick to grow but also packed with nutrients. Remember, successful gardening is not just about having a green thumb, but also about choosing the right plants. Happy gardening!